Okay, so anyway, this guy Anthony Williams wrote this book, and it's Medical Medium Celery Juice, the most powerful medicine of our time, healing millions worldwide. And I've heard a whole bunch about it. And anyway, here's all the different diseases. I mean, everything: acid, acne, Alzheimer's, anxiety, bloating, brain fog, cancer, joint pain, lupus, vertigo. Supposedly it cures everything. So anyway, but you got to drink it, about 16 ounces of it, and you got to drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. So we're going to go ahead and make some right now and try it out and see how it is. There it is, if you want to get the book. Okay. Just put that right there so that it'll be in the background. All right, so what I've done is I've got a bunch of celery here. This thing, you got to turn it on before you put the stuff in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pop her on, and then we're just going to stick her right in here. Whoa. Press the red button to turn it off. Done. Now we got our celery juice. I'm going to get a glass. Apparently it didn't turn off. Let's take this. Okay, here we go. Alright, so anyway, you got to be careful, because if you pull this out, this is going to drip, and that will stain your counter. I don't know why, but so I just leave it in there for a little bit. I even let it run for a little bit longer so that it drips out. You can see it's dripping in there, but should be okay. All right, what I'm going to do is grab this other little glass. This is my drip glass right here. So pull it out here, drip glass under there, ready to go. All right, so anyway, let's go ahead and I don't even think this can get 16 ounces out of a stock. It's got to be about. So anyway, here we go. All right, super green juice. Over the lips, over the gums. So far, not bad. Good. All right, so we're going to try it and see how it works. If you like this video, I've got many others on how to juice, and I'm going to make a whole bunch more. So we're going to do all kinds of juice videos, all right? Why not? Okay, here we go.